Hello and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a 120 word per minute Q&A. When my hand is up, it's question. When my hand is down, it's answer. And remember at the end of the take to go back over the video and read through your notes with it so you can check on your accuracy or your misstrokes. Okay. So begin. And at each of those times when you served as a corporate representative, did you also provide deposition testimony as a corporate rep? Yes, that's the purpose of taking a deposition and speaking on Florida's behalf. Okay, and have you ever given a deposition for any other reason other than being a corporate representative? No. Okay, have you ever testified at trial before? 7 times. Okay, and when was the last time you testified at trial? I would imagine 2019. And when you testified at trial, was that also in the capacity of corporate representative for Florida? Yes. Do you belong to any professional organizations? No. Now, without telling me what was said between you and your attorney, what did you do, if anything, to prepare for today's deposition? I reviewed the electronic file and all the activity in it and discussed the timeline of what occurred, the decisions that were made in preparation of this deposition. Outside of speaking to your attorney, did you speak to anyone else relating to today's deposition? No. Did you ever discuss this matter with Nikki Slab? I just answered I did not discuss it with anybody but my counsel. No, I understand that you didn't discuss it prior to today's deposition or in preparing for this deposition. I'm asking if have you ever spoken to Nikki Slab regarding this claim? No. Okay, how long did you take to prepare for today's deposition? Probably 3 hours. Okay, is there anyone at Florida Property Insurance Corporation that would have more knowledge than you regarding this matter? I would imagine Justin, who is handling the lawsuit, and the field adjuster, Nikki Slab. And do you know why one of those persons, was not designated as the corporate representative if they have more knowledge than you? They're not a corporate rep. That's not what I meant. Okay, what I mean is Florida didn't assign them as the corporate rep. All right. The next document that I am going to show you here, and by the way, did you receive the email? Yes. With all those documents, you did? Yes. Okay, good. All right. So what we're going to look at now is the certified policy. All right. And I'm going to present to you that this was the policy of insurance that was attached to the defendant's motion for summary judgment in this case. Yes. I'm just going to scroll quickly through it since you have it in front of you as well. Now, this document has 49 pages, which includes the certified policy request form on the first page, right? And the affidavit of the custodian of records and the declarations page. Have you, prior to today's deposition, have you seen this document before? Yes. And as part of your duties as a litigation adjuster, have you ever received any training in interpreting policies of insurance? I don't know. I can't say that you get training. You learn through the process how to do the training. It's not a class that they teach you. Okay, so you have never taken a class in policy interpretation then? To be honest with you, different companies do stuff different ways. Back in When I started with CNA, they had a special class because nobody knew anything about insurance, and they gave us different courses to take to train to learn different phases of insurance. But I mean, I'm not an expert in policy language, but I do know how to read the policy based upon experience. Okay, now I direct to you here on the screen share the homeowner's HO-3 special form policy declarations page, right? Do you see that? Yes. Okay, and can you identify for me the policy number of this insurance? 127-29211. And then there's a dash to correct? Yes? Okay, let me go back up to that. Let me go back to the page. Let me go back to that page because I was scrolling through the policy because I thought it was something specific you wanted. Okay, I'm here now. Okay, and what's the policy period of this policy of insurance? Let me see. Let me open this up. The policy period is 1/7/2017 to 1/7/2018. Okay, and what was the alleged date of loss for the claim that we are here about today? Okay, that's the end of this take. And again, when you're finished with your take, go back and rewatch the video and read your notes along with it.